Lacey, and welcome back to Lacey's. Today, I'm just gonna be doing random things, and I don't know what I don't know what I'm gonna title this yet. But guys, my sister decided to rip a squishy. She decided to break her squishy and rip it. See the bottom of that? And she broke the ear off. She ripped the ear off too. Squishy. It's still slow rising. See, that's to prove it's slow rising. Okay, so, this is what it looks like inside of it. It's just like yellow foam. It's yellow foam, or like it's probably any kind of foam, because no, the dogs decided to rip up my ice cream squishy. This is what it looks like. It's white foam. Squish it. Slow rising too. Okay, so my sister has another squishy. Guys, I cannot go in there because my sister is getting dressed, but I will show you the squishy later. Oh, guys, I forgot. My brother has a squishy. It's kind of like ripped right here, but it is white foam, and it's ripped nowhere else. So, yeah. His is not a slow rising, I don't think. Watch. Wait. Get the glare out of here. Yeah, his is not a slow rising. Watch. And then I'm just gonna show you guys me squishing it right here. See? See? Actually, it is slow rising. It's just like this little squirrely thingy. It's like a swirling thing. We got these bags. We spent $30 on a bunch of things. Got a huge. I'm not gonna show you everything I got. I'm not gonna show you everything, but my brother got this too. He used all of it, and then he got this. Oh, and that stuff was hand sanitizer. This is a fish. Yeah, mine's empty. I don't know where my hand sanitizer is. And I don't know where everything else is. But I got headphones and they broke. But look, I got this book right here. That one and this one. And this one. Sorry if I sound weird because, but my nose is clogged up and stuffed up. But I got this one too. I got two of them, but I don't know where my other book is. Hey. I'll see you later, guys. Found it. Okay, guys. These are my two Slappy World books. Both of them. Wait. Got these at the book fair at school. Wait, I'm going to show you them at a good spot so you can actually see them. Okay, so there they are. There's I'm Slappy's evil twin. Here is Attack of the Jack. So yeah, I got Attack of the Jack. And my evil twin. Wait. I'm Slappy's evil twin. I'm missing this one. I haven't got that one yet. But it looks so cool. I haven't got it yet though. But yeah. My hamster. Guys, I'm gonna get my hamster. Okay guys, so I got my hamster. He's in this ball. And I'll show you guys later what he looks like. Because I have to go get dressed. Bye! Okay, guys, back and... Where's my hamster? Oh, see him. I found him. What? Got a tag. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get my hamster out of this ball. Okay, so okay, guys. So I got my hamster. Love you. We'll see him run around. There he is. Where'd he go? No. Where are you going? Where'd you go? There he is. Hey, do not go to this. Oh, he's so adorable.